If you are thinking of selling your home in the next few months, stay tuned because my husband Paul and I are realtors here in the Eastern Panhandle, and we've got some good tips for you so that you'll get top dollar and make the whole experience almost stress-free, almost. So, first of all, make a switch in your mind to investor mode. So you look at your home as an investment. And then give yourself time to get your house ready. And that time frame can vary depending on the shape your home is in. If it's in really good shape, you might not need much time. If it needs some work, you probably will need some time. So, first item on the checklist. Get an idea of what homes in your neighborhood sell for and the market value of your home, because you don't want to overspend on upgrades that you won't get back, but you will want to address any issues that would cause a buyer to walk. When the buyer gets a home inspection, he has the option to void the contract. So addressing the issues ahead of time will save you some headaches. And the best way to uncover potential problems is to have your home inspected by a licensed West Virginia inspector before you put it on the market. And if you don't want to spend that money and you're pretty handy, the home inspections are about $450, $500, then the next best thing is to get a copy of a home inspection and use it as a guide and inspect your own home. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a link so you can download a sample home inspection. And doing this step early in the process will give you time to either fix items yourself, shop around for a good price on a contractor, or disclose anything that might look concerning to a buyer, and so that you can explain it. And here's an example. We had a client and his home had a settlement crack in the basement. It was there when the home was built. The home passed inspections, so he didn't consider that it would be a problem. But the home inspector pointed it out to the buyer in a way that really scared them. So they just about backed out of the contract. After further inspections, it all worked out, but had the seller disclosed that crack from the get-go with the builder's explanation, and maybe have a contractor in there to confirm that it wasn't really a problem, then it would likely have caused that buyer a lot less heartburn. So the idea is to uncover potential issues and address them in some way, either fix them or disclose them, and then truthfully explain what you know about it. The next item, staging. And that involves all the things that make your home appealing to a buyer. And lots of research has been done on staging. So this is our perspective of what a well-staged home looks like. First of all, staging is cosmetic and shouldn't require a lot of money. So the walls in the home should be in good shape and neutral, all the clutter removed. There's a minimal amount of furniture, and the furniture fits the purpose of the room. In other words, dining room has dining room furniture instead of playroom furniture. And once you get that neutral, uncluttered backdrop, then add some splashes of color throughout the house. Hanging art, big pots of colorful flowers, bowls of fruit, throw rugs, bright colorful pillows, those kind of things. And here's two areas of your home that are the most influence to buyers. The first is the kitchen, and the second is whatever they see first, the first impression. The kitchen is a major selling point, and it's the room where upgrades will most likely pay off. So that's where the majority of the budget should go. Then the next area of importance involves the first thing the buyers see. That's usually going to be the front of the house. So a tidy lawn, a sidewalk and porch in good shape, freshly painted front door, flower pots, window boxes, maybe a wreath. Just make it look really good. So, a home that is clutter-free, neutral backdrop, minimal furniture, splashes of color, an upgraded kitchen, and great first impression are the goals we recommend to get your home ready for the market. And the best way to do that is just to go from one room at a time. And also get help from an objective eye. We've helped lots of people through this. It's one of our services that we provide. So if you are thinking of selling, give us a call. We'd love to help out with that, give you some input. And then right before your home goes on the market, give it a military-like cleaning. Hire a cleaning crew if you can, and so that everything in the house sparkles. And then if you're living in the house while it's on the market, it's not going to be clutter-free 100% of the time. So, especially if you have kids. So have some bins at hand so you can gather clutter and quickly put it away. Let your realtor know how much warning you'll require before a buyer shows up. Could be 2 hours, could be 12 hours, whatever you need. And then one last thing here. I want to show you how to access some guides for selling your home, including a copy of a home inspection sample. So what you're looking at here is our website, and that's where I've got a lot of information downloaded, a lot of the stuff that I spoke about in this video. So what you do is you go to meetmeinthepanhandle.com, go to buyer seller resources, selling your home, and on here I'm going to show you there's a link here to get your home value. So you click on that, put your address in, and you'll get an instant value. Then, if you want to know what you would net from a sale, then you can click. This is a little widget I've got on here. So what you do is you click on it, seller net sheet, and then just answer these questions. It's going to ask you the sales price. Well, you can just put that market value in there. It'll ask you what you owe on the mortgage. You can put that here, and then it'll ask you the closing date, so just for today, like if you were selling it today. And then it'll ask some other things. And the more accurate you can be, the more accurate this calculation will be of what you'll net. So it's already got the real estate commission plugged in. It's asking you how much you owe, if there's any homeowners association dues. Taxes are prorated, and then some other expenses. That's that nice little widget. But anyway, so if you hit calculate that, you'll see what you'll net, and you can do several scenarios of what you might sell the house for. Then there's some publications. There's a booklet on simple staging. So you can go there and print or download all of these. This one is in the form of a page turner. So you can just click that and read it online, or you can come down here. There's a little print icon. You can print it. Moving on down here, this is a home inspection sample. Remember I told you about using a home inspection sample report to do the inspection yourself. So you can go there and click this and get a copy of that. Here's our property market plan. Here's a home seller's guide with a checklist. And this is a nice little blog here for sellers. This has 6 kitchen upgrades. And kitchen's the most important room, so this is some good information here. And a few other things. I think there's one on here that's really good. It's one of the best ones I think I've done, and it's how to make your home look more expensive.
5 ways to make your home look more expensive. And these are really not expensive things to do in your home that are trendy and just makes your home look more up to date, more expensive. All right, so that's what I've got for you there on that page. There's really a lot of good information here. I spent a lot of time putting it together. So I hope you go there and I hope you check it out. All right, okay, thanks. Appreciate it.
Okay. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, need anything in the real estate department, we're here. We'd love to help. Be sure to contact us. We're at 304-264-2828. You have a great day, and I will see you next week. Bye.